Alexandra Walker is an English actress. She has starred in the films Enchanted April, Patriot Games, Sliver, Restoration, The Gambler, and Savage Messiah. In 2006, she received a Golden Globe Award nomination for her role in the drama series Rome. Walker was born in Warrington, Lancashire. She attended Patriot Church of England Primary School in Warrington and Bush Davies School of Ballet and Performing Arts in East Grinstead until joining Ballet Rambert School at 16. She had to abandon dancing after a leg injury at the age of 18. She then decided to become an actress. She moved from the Drama Centre in London to the Royal Shakespeare Company, where she played bit parts for 6 months before graduating to small roles on television. Walker landed the title role in the television series Lorna Doone before making her feature debut in Shogun Maeda. In that same year she appeared in Les Equilibristes and in Mike Newell's Enchanted April, in which she played an aristocrat eager to escape the attentions of her persistent male admirers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.